You work hard every single day, yet somehow your money never seems to last. Bills keep piling up, your savings barely exist, and every month feels like a struggle to stay afloat. No matter what you do, it feels like you're one bad decision away from financial disaster. One afternoon, while walking through a shopping mall, you spot a brand new luxury smartphone. It's expensive, but you immediately start convincing yourself that you deserve it. You've been working hard. Why not treat yourself for once? As you reach for your bank card, something unbelievable happens. The world freezes around you. Suddenly, images flash before your eyes. You see overdue bills, financial stress, and future problems that somehow seem connected to this purchase. Then, just as quickly as it began, the vision disappears. Confused and unsettled, you decide not to buy the phone. You walk out of the store wondering whether you've lost your mind or just experienced something impossible. Deep down, however, you know that vision felt real. A few days later, breaking news reveals that the product you almost purchased was connected to a major scam. Thousands of people lose money. That's when you realize the vision wasn't random. Somehow, it showed you a future financial mistake before you made it. Determined to understand what's happening, you begin experimenting. Small purchases, financial choices, investment opportunities. Every time you're about to make a bad decision, another vision appears, showing exactly what will happen if you continue. The more you test your ability, the stronger it becomes. Soon, entire financial futures unfold before your eyes. Failed businesses, scams, bad investments, debt traps. You can now see financial disasters before they happen. One day, a bank offers you a loan that seems perfect. The monthly payments look affordable, and the money could solve many of your problems. But the moment you consider signing, a vision appears showing years of debt and financial stress. You immediately walk away. Not long after, an exciting investment opportunity appears. Everyone around you seems eager to invest. The promises sound incredible. Then, another vision appears. You see investors losing everything. While everyone else rushes in, you choose to stay away. For the first time in your life, money no longer feels unpredictable. You're not reacting to problems anymore. You're preventing them before they happen. Every smart decision strengthens your financial future. Months turn into years. Your savings grow steadily. Your investments perform well. Opportunities multiply. While others lose money learning expensive lessons, you continue moving forward without making major financial mistakes. Eventually, your entire lifestyle changes. You move into a beautiful apartment. Financial stress becomes a distant memory. The problems that once kept you awake at night slowly disappear. As your wealth grows, people begin noticing. Friends seek your advice. Business owners respect your judgment. Investors want your opinion. To everyone else, it seems like you have an incredible gift for money. Soon, every financial decision becomes easy. Every risk reveals itself before it can harm you. Every bad opportunity exposes itself before you invest. It feels like you've completely mastered the game of money. But something unexpected begins to happen. Life starts feeling predictable. Every outcome is known before it happens. Every surprise disappears. The excitement of uncertainty slowly fades away. Then you notice a new problem. Some opportunities come with risks. Not bad risks, necessary risks. Yet every possibility of failure makes you hesitate. Instead of chasing opportunities, you start avoiding them. One day, the biggest opportunity of your life appears. It's ambitious, risky, and potentially life-changing. Naturally, you expect a vision, and one appears. But this time, something is different. For the first time, the vision doesn't reveal the entire future. You can see the risks, but the rewards remain hidden. Standing at this crossroads, you realize that no supernatural power can make this decision for you. You must choose for yourself. After years of relying on your ability, you finally take a leap into the unknown. The journey is difficult. There are setbacks and mistakes along the way. But through those challenges, you discover something greater than financial success: purpose, growth, and fulfillment. Looking back on your journey, you finally understand the truth. Avoiding every mistake may help you build wealth, but true success comes from knowing when to embrace uncertainty. Because wisdom protects your future, but courage is what allows you to create it.